Exercise 32, page 64, number 7. Again, I'm going to have a look at one that's similar to this and leave you to have a go at the one in the textbook. But what we have here is the unknown this time, n in this particular question, or x in my example, is underneath in the fraction. So what do we do about that? Well, we want x at the top. So how do I get rid of any number underneath, or the fact that I've got a number underneath? I multiply through by it. So if I multiply this term by 3x, I could cancel out those 3x and I'd get rid of that 3x on the bottom. But of course I have to multiply every term by 3x, and that's what I do. So multiplying both sides, every term on both sides by 3x, I get 4 minus 2 times 3x is 6x over 5x equals 5 times 3 is 15x over 8. Now looking at it, I've got x's at the bottom and the top in this term here. So I could actually cancel out these x's, because whatever x is, it's a number, remember, it divides into there and there. So actually the x's cancelled in this term, and I'm left with 4 minus 6 over 5 equals 15x over 8. At this point, we're playing around with fractions on the left-hand side. We could try and do that, but I would probably carry on using the same sort of idea of multiplying through by 5 to get rid of that, multiplying through by 8 to get rid of that, and simplifying where possible as we go along. So multiplying both sides, every term in both sides by 5, I get 20 minus 6 equals 5 times 15 is 75 x over 8. 20 minus 6, I can do that now, is 14 equals 75x over 8. Multiplying through by 8. 8 times 14 is 80 plus 4, 8 to 32 is 112 equals 75x. And then divide both sides by 75 and we've got x equals 112 over 75. Now see if you can have a go at the question in your textbooks.